In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to n8n. Firstly, open up n8n and log into your account. Once you're on your account, click on your create workflow option, which is on your top right here. Click on it and then go to your new workflow and then hit on add first step here. And then in the search bar here, type in Facebook lead. Okay, and then select Facebook leads ads trigger. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll get to this parameters page here. So here, firstly, click on select credentials and click on create new credential, and then just connect with your Facebook leads account credentials here, your client ID, secret ID, all those things. Once you've connected it, hit on the save option here. Okay, once you're done with that, now select the event. So select the event. If it's a new event, select the new event and your Facebook page. So choose the page, which is your Facebook page, and then the form list. So choose the page which is from your Facebook page list. You can just choose that, and the form list as well. Once you've chosen all those things, and you can add options if you want to, and you're done with the connection and everything else is set up, all you have to do is click on this execute setup first. Okay, click on the execute setup option here. So once you're done filling up all this information, hit on execute step, and that's it. Once you hit on execute step, your connection would have been set up, and you can now test it by clicking on this execute workflow option here, and that's pretty much it is.